when they found out about the skim, they told Las Vegas office. Las Vegas office was, wow, how do we get these guys? We only got 2 men in our office. So they got a hold of the DJ, that's in charge of the FBI, and they let them have 5 more agents. So now they want to figure out who they could get the roll over to cooperate with them. Who else better to do was Lefty.
Really?
Because Lefty did time in jail and he had about 4 or 5 million. And he certainly didn't want to go to jail again. When you got that kind of money, you think you're invincible, right?
Yeah.
So the FBI approach him. When they approach him, they bring up the idea about him, working with them. And he says, he didn't blink an eye, and he says, yeah, I'll cooperate. I don't want to go to jail. He says, but they'll figure it out. We could pull away the cops. So he says, they'll figure it out that I'm an informant. We're gonna have to find a way to make me look like a stand-up guy. So in turn, the FBI tells him, listen, just tell them that you spotted us, or you think that you're being tailed when you bring that money from the skim to the other guy, the drop-off spot. He says, and leave it up to the syndicate or the outfit. They'll figure out what to do. But we did. In the movie, you see the FBI busting the guy with the bag of money, and there's only cookies and crackers and wine in the bag.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we did. We switched the contents. Unbeknown to us that the FBI knew we were going to do that. So they got the last laugh, right?
Yeah.
We thought we got one over on them. In all reality, they got one over on us. It made Lefty look like he was stand up. But what I didn't know then was the Kansas City mob didn't believe Lefty. They said the guy's a rat. We know he's a rat. We want to kill him. They're telling Chicago. Chicago don't want to do it. Chicago says, he's our guy. We can't do that to our guy. Let us check it out. Once we check it out, if he's bad, we'll have somebody take care of it. So they got to be satisfied with that, Kansas City, because Chicago power is a superpower. Now, right over there to the right, that's the gate Lefty used to pull out of. And then he'd go right across the street. And when he go across the street, he would go down about a half a block. You can't go down that way because they got the street blocked off. Looks like my car, huh? Going in there? Look at that. Sure does, don't it? I got a car just like that. A lease. It goes down there. And the guy'd bring it up, and 4 or 5, I don't know when, but he'd leave sometime after that, and he had to charter a plane to Kansas City. With $250,000, you better charter a plane. You can't go commercial. That's a lot of money to haul back every week, So now I'll